हम पॉइंट डिफेक्ट का नेक्स्ट टॉपिक लेंगे। पॉइंट डिफेक्ट इन आयनिक सॉलिड्स। आयनिक सॉलिड हमारे आयनिक क्रिस्टल, चाहे वो मेटालिक हैलाइड्स है, मेटालिक ऑक्साइड्स, मेटालिक सल्फाइड्स, इस टाइप के कंपाउंड्स हमारे जो आयनिक क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड होंगे उनमें देर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ डिफेक्ट। वन, point defect in stoichiometric solids. Second, point defect in non-stoichiometric solids. And third one is impurity defect. So what is a stoichiometric and non-stoichiometric compounds? If ratio or number of atoms in a perfect crystal, suppose in NaCl there is ratio of particle 1:1, Ab2 type 1:2 like zinc chloride, Ab3 type like aluminum chloride, A2 B3 type Al2O3. So if their stoichiometry does not change, stoichiometry remains same as in perfect crystal, then such type of compound are known as stoichiometric compound. And this stoichiometric compound here we will discuss in 2 categories. One is Frankel defect and another is Schottky defect. So here we will take, as in a previous topic we have taken a point defect in non-ionic solid, vacancy defect and interstitial defect. So look here its first part is Schottky defect. Schottky defect. Here what happen? There is missing of one cation and one anion. At least one cation and one anion, means equal number of cation and equal number of anions are missing from their lattice site. They are not present in the crystal. That means they are absent. How can we show? Means equal number of cations and anions are missing from their equal number of cations and anions are missing from their lattice site. How can we show this? With the help of diagram. Suppose these are the lattice point. How many total balls? 1, 2, 3, 4. Means there are 12. So one cation, anion, cation, anion, cation, anion, cation, anion, cation, anion, cation, anion. How many cations? 6. How many anions? 6. So 6 cations and 6 anions are there. Then it is a perfect crystal. It is not having any kind of defect. Electrical neutrality is maintained. But what happens if suppose one cation is not present and one anion is not present? So one cation and one anion is missing from the crystal when crystal is formed from different method. During the formation of this crystal, what happened? Due to some arrangement, so what happened? One cation and one anion is missing. So remember, this type of defect is found in such type of crystal in which size of cation and size of anion is approximately similar, like NaCl. NaCl. So in NaCl also AgBr, KCl. So this type of crystal will show this defect. One cation, one anion is missing. So what happened? Total mass decrease, but volume remains same. So what happened? Density of crystal in this defect will decrease. So what is the condition of this defect? This defect is found in the crystalline compound, crystalline solid, in which size of cation and size of anion is approximately similar. And second condition, those ionic compound which have high coordination number. There are two conditions for this type of defect. Size of cation and size of anion should be almost similar. And second thing, those crystalline solids which have atoms, in which atoms have particles have high coordination number. So examples are these. And in this defect, what happened? In defect, what happened? Density will decrease. And second part of this defect is Frenkel defect. In Frenkel defect, what happened? Some of the particles are missing from their sites, but they are present in the interstitial site in between the particles, and that gap in between the particle, this is known as interstitial sites. So here what happened? Particles, especially cations, particles are missing from their lattice site, but they are present in interstitial site. Means they are displaced, they are dislocated. Similar as in previous topic we have discussed. Look here, cation, anion, cation, anion, cation, anion, cation, anion. Here what happened? Cation, anion, cation, anion, cation, then anion, cation, anion, cation, anion, cation, and anion. We can take here cation, anion, cation, anion, cation, anion, cation, anion, cation, anion, cation, anion, like that. So if cation is present here, then this is a perfect crystal, there is no defect. But this cation is not present here, this is present somewhere in the gap, and this gap is known as interstitial site here. So cation are present from their original site to gap, void, hole. And here what happened? Overall electrical neutrality. How many cations are there? 6. How many cations are there? 6. So overall electrical neutrality is maintained. And what is the basic condition for this defect? It is found in such type of ionic solid in which size of anion is larger than the size of cation, because this, remember, this gap is smaller, the size of this gap is smaller. So remember here, smaller size particle will dislocated, will get displaced, and a smaller size particle here is cation. So what is the condition again? This type of Frenkel defect is found in such type of ionic solid in which size of cation is comparatively smaller than size of anion, or you can say size of anion is comparatively greater than size of cation. So silver chloride, silver bromide, silver iodide, zinc sulfide. Generally these types of compounds show this defect. And what is the effect on density? There will be no change in density. In Frankel defect, density doesn't change. So question 1 marks question generally asked in board exam, that write the type of defect in which density decrease. Write the type of defect in which density does not change. So generally we will discuss these two defects, Frankel defect and Schottky defect in ionic solids. And next one we will take here